Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to load file in Google Docs. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm using Chrome, but if you use any other browser, it should be a pretty similar process. What you need to do here is to just press on the three dots here. Then you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to privacy security. And then you just need to go to clear browsing data. And then what you need to do here, select here all time and select all. I like to select all these options here and clear data. But if you don't want to put your password again or clear your browsing history, you can do only with this one, right? And then you just need to clear data, relaunch the browser, go to Google Docs, and then your problem should be fixed. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.